Warning: watching these Python animations may cause extreme creativity. Subscribe at your own risk and enjoy the coding journey with electro4u.net. Hit to like and subscribe now. Let's start the code. Importing the turtle module. This line brings in the turtle module, which provides tools for creating graphics and animations. Setting the background color .turtleBG color black. This sets the background of the drawing window to black. Creating a turtle object. This creates a turtle object named Squarey. The turtle is like a pen that can move around and draw shapes. Setting drawing speed. This sets the drawing speed to the fastest setting to 0. Setting pen color. This sets the color of the line that the turtle will draw to gold. Creating a list of colors. This creates a list of colors that will be used to cycle through during the drawing process. Looping to draw a spiral. This starts a loop that will run 400 times. Inside the loop, this chooses a color from the colors list based on the current value of I and changes the turtle's color. This moves the turtle forward by a distance of I pixels. This turns the turtle to the left by an angle that gradually increases with each iteration of the loop. Keeping the window open. This keeps the drawing window open until you manually close it. Hold your breath, folks. We're about to unleash a code-powered masterpiece. रुकिए दोस्तों, हम अब कोड की जादूगरी देखने वाले हैं. Unlock a world of animation magic. Subscribe to Electro4u today and join the electro4u.net. एनिमेशन जादू की दुनिया को अनलॉक करें. आज ही Electro4u को सब्सक्राइब करें और Electro4u से जुड़ें. धन्यवाद.